Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Forte radio, updated. Disconnect the negative battery terminal first and wait a minute to let systems reset. Remove dash trim gently with a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching surfaces. Keep all fasteners organized and labeled so reinstalling is straightforward. Use an 8mm socket and Phillips screwdriver for the radio mount screws and be patient when detaching wiring harnesses to avoid damage. Start by prying the center bezel off using a plastic trim tool and even pressure to release clips without breaking them. Locate and remove the 4 mounting screws that hold the radio, typically with an 8mm socket or Phillips driver. Gently slide the radio forward to access the wiring harness and antenna connector, taking care not to force any wires. Label connectors if needed to make reconnection quick and error-free when reinstalling. If this video is helping, please like and subscribe to support the channel and catch future car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and passing the time while bolts soak, and it fits nicely on a workbench. I find it handy for referencing guides without risking my phone or tablet. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the radio slid out, unclip the main wiring harness by pressing its release tab and pulling straight back to avoid bending pins. Carefully remove the antenna cable by wiggling slightly while pulling to free the connector without damaging it. Check each connector and wire for corrosion, dirt, or bent pins, and clean if necessary to ensure good contact. Keep screws and trim pieces nearby and protected for reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.